Keep your everyday gadgets powered up with the ESR HaloLock 3-in-1 wireless charger with Cryo Boost. This MagSafe style wireless charging stand uses phone cooling tech. Additionally, it has an AirPods magnetic charging pad as well as an Apple Watch charger stand. Boasting Cryo Boost fast charging, its design includes a phone cooling fan along with a heat dissipating design. This gives you incredibly fast MagSafe charging. Made to power up multiple devices at the same time, it works with all iPhone 14, 13, 12 models, the AirPods 3/2/2 Pro, all Apple Watch models, MagSafe and HaloLock cases, and the HaloLock Universal Ring. Furthermore, it offers a sleep-friendly dark charging mode. Set it up with ease, and you'll love that it has an extra long cable that lets you use it anywhere. Clean in a sustainable way with the Dayoo TranSteamer Cordless Steam Cleaning Center. Offering 100% chemical-free cleaning, it has a modular design and accessories that make it easy to clean everywhere. Cleaning without harsh chemicals, it lets you use it alone or with the steamer module, mop extension, or docking station to get higher pressure steam. As an all-in-one steam cleaning solution, it'll help you clean up messy situations throughout your home. With steam ready in just 30 seconds, it boasts advanced thermal relay technology, and it heats up to temperatures higher than 221 degF, giving you cordless cleaning in up to 16 minutes. It delivers as much as 120 milliliters per minute of steam discharge for jobs in any room. Overall, attachments let you clean dishes, textiles, floors, glass, corners, and more. Finally, its 21,700 battery cells produce a high discharge rate, strong performance, and exceptional safety features. Easily see any notifications you get on the Garmin Forerunner 965 GPS running watch, no matter the conditions. Boasting an incredibly bright AMOLED display, this smartwatch shows your advanced training metrics, recovery insights, and everyday health stats. You'll love the optional always-on, full-color display, but you'll also appreciate the responsive touchscreen and 5-button design. Made with a titanium bezel, this lightweight statement piece gives you up to 23 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. Additionally, each day you'll receive a morning report with an overview of last night's sleep, and it has the upcoming day's training outlook. Furthermore, you can see your heart rate variability status and the weather when you pair it with your smartphone. Beyond all this, you can also use the race widget for training tips, daily suggested workouts, and completion time predictions. Take your instant photography one step further with the Fujifilm INSTAX Mini 12 Instant Camera. This new version comes with parallax correction capabilities, automatic flash control, and a convenient multifunction twist lens. Additionally, the new parallax correction feature will help you with a centered photo. The camera also features automatic flash control, which optimizes image quality in bright or low light situations. In fact, the unique design also comes in a variety of appealing new color options. Most importantly, this set of cameras also comes with a free, downloadable INSTAX smartphone app. With this app, INSTAX users can digitally scan, import, organize, and store their photos in one place. A beautiful combination of creativity and photography you can use to capture your treasures. Enjoy a premium typing experience anywhere with the Logitech Slim Folio keyboard case for iPad. An ideal iPad accessory, it gives you a full-size keyboard to type with. So no matter where you need to work, you can be productive. What's more, the well-spaced edge-to-edge keyboard gives you comfortable typing. Then, the premium keys have been redesigned for comfort and travel. Not only that, but there's also a full row of iPadOS shortcut keys. That way, you get one-tap access to media controls, brightness levels, and more. Then this keyboard also protects your tablet thanks to its secure form fit. It protects the front, back, and corners from bumps and scratches. Moreover, you get 2 viewing angles, one for typing and another for viewing. Finally, Slim Folio offers a smart cover and a reliable Bluetooth. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.